this, these, that, those, here, and there. Sarah, do you know the difference between these 6 words?
Well, Nick, I don't know the difference between them. Would you like to explain me?
Of course, Sarah. Why not? Last time I told you that I am always here by your side to help you improve your English speaking skills.
Thanks! I'm so happy to hear that from you.
Absolutely. Let's dive deeper into the usage of here and there. The word here refers to a place or position that is close to the speaker. Unlikely, there is refers to a place or position that is far from the speaker.
I got the definitions, but what about the usage of these 2 words?
As I said earlier, here is used to indicate the location of something or someone near the speaker. Examples: here is your book. The book is near the speaker. Please sit here. The speaker is indicating a spot close to them. Here we are at the park. The speaker is at the park.
I understand here now. Tell me more about there.
There refers to a place or position that is far from the speaker. It is used to indicate the location of something or someone away from the speaker. Examples: the keys are over there. The keys are far from the speaker. Look there, a rainbow. The rainbow is at a distance from the speaker. There goes the bus. The bus is moving away from the speaker. In short, to compare them, here, close to the speaker. Example: here is my phone. The phone is near me. They're far from the speaker. Example: there is my friend's house. The house is far from me. Now, let's explore this, these, that, those. This is used for a singular noun that is close to the speaker. Example: this is my pen. The pen is near me. These is used for plural nouns that are close to the speaker. Example: these are my pens. The pens are near me. That is used for a singular noun that is far from the speaker. Example: that is my friend's car. The car is far from me. Those is used for plural nouns that are far from the speaker. Example: those are my friend's cars. The cars are far from me.
Thank you so much, Nick, for these clarifications.
Let's expand the conversation between Sarah and Emma. Look at these beautiful flowers. Yes, they're lovely, but what about those over there? Those are daffodils, and this one is a rose. Oh, I see. I prefer these colorful tulips, though. Did you know that these tulips come in various shades? Some are bright red, while others are pale pink. Really? I've only seen the red ones. Where can I find those pastel-colored tulips? You can visit the botanical garden. They have a whole section dedicated to different tulip varieties. Speaking of gardens, this morning I planted some seeds. These are sunflower seeds, and those are zinnias. Great choice. Sunflowers are tall and vibrant, while zinnias have such intricate petals. I'd love to see them when they bloom.